Imagine you want to create a UI like this where items are aligned neatly in a row, and when there is not enough space or a room, they just wrap to the next line like you can see here. So we can do this by using grid view, but we have to do some settings like main axis extend and cross axis count, where we are fixing the data which can be available in a row. So we don't want to do this. So there is a widget called wrap. The wrap widget works just like a row but with a twist. Instead of letting items overflow, it moves them to the next line. That create a grid-like layout effortlessly. So let's see the code in action. So to use the wrap widget, we will use wrap. Then inside this wrap widget, there's a property called children. This children contains the widget which you want to wrap or create a grid of. So right now I will use as a chip, and I will provide the text inside this like chip 1. Now I will do the copy paste thing multiple times, and here you can see we got our grid ready. Now you can see there is no space between two chips. So to give that, we have a property called spacing. Here we can give the space between the two chips, and if you want to give the space between two columns, then we have a property called runSpacing, where we can put the value to give the spacing between two columns. Now you can see it is coming from the start, and I want it in the center. So we can use property called alignment dot center. Here you can see all things go to the center. So this is the first way to use the wrap widget when you have no dynamic or you want to show the static data. This will be helpful while you are creating a navigation in a dashboard where we want to show the different types of navigating screens like navigation item. When you click on that, you will navigate to the different screen. So now if you have a data that is coming directly from the API and you want it to be dynamically, then we can extend this children with our spread operator called list.generate, and then inside this we will provide the list that we want to render. So I have already created this items list. So I'll copy this and then I will use .length. Here we need to remove this const items.length. Then inside the generator we can provide the widget that we want to render. Then I can access the items like this. So here you can see we got our wrap widget ready. So this is the wrap widget. Thanks for watching.